Let's learn how to talk about your morning routine in English. I wake up at 7 a.m. every morning. I get up and stretch my arms. I always make the bed before I leave the room. I take a shower to feel clean. I get dressed in a clean shirt. I comb my hair before going out. I brush my teeth every morning and night. I wash my face with soap and water. She puts on makeup before she goes to work. We have breakfast together as a family. I eat cereal with milk. I drink coffee to feel more awake. I put on my shoes and my jacket. She grabs her bag and leaves. She locks the door with her key. I take the bus to work. I start work at 8 a.m. My commute to the office is 30 minutes. I have a meeting with my boss at 10 a.m. I need to write an email to my teacher. She makes a phone call to a client. I have lunch with my friends. I eat a sandwich and an apple for lunch. I buy food from the cafeteria. I finish work at 5 p.m. I go home after my work. She arrives home and feels tired. I change clothes after work. I unpack my bag and put my books on the table. I always do my homework in the evening. I do the laundry every Saturday. Please wash the dishes after dinner. My mom asks me to clean my room. I vacuum the floor to clean the carpet. Don't forget to take out the trash. We need to tidy up the living room. I like to cook dinner for my family. My brother sets the table before we eat. We have dinner at 7 p.m. I go for a walk in the park after dinner. I exercise at the gym 3 times a week. She goes to the gym to lift weights. She reads a book on the couch. I listen to music when I'm on the bus. We watch TV and a movie on Friday night. I meet friends at the coffee shop. We hang out and talk for hours. I call a friend to say hello. I take care of my pet every day. Please feed the dog before you leave. She walks the dog every morning. It's late, so I get ready for bed. I put on my pajamas and get a drink of water. I set the alarm for 6:30 a.m. I fall asleep as soon as my head hits the pillow. I am tired and ready to go to bed. I often dream about my friends. I start a new book after finishing the last one. I listen to a podcast on my way to work. I try to learn new words every day. I relax on the couch and watch a show. It's important to drink water all day. I sleep for 8 hours every night. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more English videos. Thanks for watching.